Metro is a rapid transit system serving city of Hyderabad, Telangana, India. It is the third longest operational metro network in India after Delhi Metro and Namma Metro, Bangalore. And the line are arranged sequential model of the funded by public-private partnership PPP with state government holding minority equity stock, and Hyderabad Metro is the world's largest elevated metro rail system based on DBFOT basis, design, built, finance, operated, transfer. Special purpose vehicle company L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad Lite L&T MRHL was the established by the construction company L&T to develop Hyderabad Metro Rail project. Overview: Founder 2007, timing 6 am to 11 pm, owner Hyderabad Metro Rail Lite HMRL and L&T 90%, Government of Telangana 10%. Area served Hyderabad Metropolitan Region, local Hyderabad Telangana, transit type rapid transit, number of line 3 fully operation, 1 under construction, line number red line 1, green line 2, blue line 3, number of station 58, daily ridership 5,47,000, November 2023. Annual ridership 8 million. Chief Executive NVS Reddy, Managing Director, Headquarter Metro Rail Bhavan, Begumpet, Hyderabad 50003. Website itmetro.com and hmrl.co.in. Operation begun operation 29 November 2017, 6 years ago. Operator Keelis Hyderabad Mass Rapid Transit System. Character fully elevated rolling stock, anti-rotum, train lane 3 car train, headway 3.5 to 7 minutes, technical system length 71.1 km, 44.2 mi, operation 5.5 km, 3.4 mi, under survey 63 km, 39 mi, DPR submitted 278 km, 173 mi, cabinet approved. Number of tracks 2, track gauge 1435 mm, 4 feet 8 plus in standard gauge. Minimum radius of curvature 1200 meters, 390 feet. Electrification 25 kV, 50 Hz AC overhead catenary. Overspeed 35 to 40 km per hour, 22 to 25 mph. Top speed 80 km per hour, 50 mph. 30 km 19 mi stretch from Miyapur to Nagale with 24 station was inaugurated on 28 November 2017. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This was longest rapid transit metro line opening one go in India. Is estimated to cost 18,800 rupees crore US dollar 2.4 billion at February 2020. About 4,90,000 people use the metro per day. Trains are crowded during morning and evening rush hour. Ladies only coach was introduced. All train from 7 May 2018. Post COVID 4,50,000 average daily passenger were travelling on Hyderabad Metro by December 2022. On 3 July 2023, Hyderabad Metro Rail achieved milestone with ridership clocking 5.1 lakh on that day. History: Metro Rail project was approved by Union Government as Hyderabad continued to grow. Multimodal transport system MMTS has insufficient capacity for public transport, and Union Minister of Urban Development approved construction for Hyderabad Metro Rail project, directing the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation to conduct survey proposal line to submit detailed project report DPR. Meet the rising public and transport need to mitigate growing road traffic in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. State Government of South Central Railway jointly launched MMTS. August 2005, initial plan was Metro to connect with the existing MMTS to provide commuters with alternate mode of the transport. Simultaneously, proposal for taking up construction MMTS phase 2 were also taken forward. 2007, NVS Reddy was appointed Managing Director of Hyderabad Metro Rail Limited. Same year, central government approved financial assistance of rupees 1,639 crore under the gap funding VGF scheme. Option for underground metro system. Hyderabad was ruled out the L&T due to presence of hard rocks, boulders and the topograph soil in Hyderabad. Hyderabad Metro initially began under the Andhra Pradesh Municipal Tramways Construction Operation Maintenance Act 2008. Later on, it came under the Central Metro Act with the permitted revision of FAIR on 26 March 2018. Government of Telangana announced that it would be set up a SPV Hyderabad Airport Metro Limited HAML, jointly promoted by HMRL and HMDA, extended the blue line from the Raider to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Shamshabad under Phase 2 after the completion Phase 1 in 2020. Initial bidding process was completed by July 2008 and awarded it made which failed to achieve financial closure for project as per scheduled by March 2009. Rebidding, state government cancelled contract and called the fresh rebidding projects July 2010. Rebidding process L&T and emerged lowest bidder for the rupees 121.32 billion $1.5 billion project. L&T came forward to take up the work for about 14.58 billion rupees $180 million. Liability gap funding as against the sanctioned 48.53 billion rupees $610 million. Nallari Kiran Kumar Reddy government proactively pursued project, but it was delayed due to separate state agitation and later due to the abrogation of new government. Consortium of 10 banks led by State Bank of India sanctioned NDA debut record for Hyderabad Metro project, which was largest fund tie-up under India non-power infrastructure public-private partnership PBB project at the time of mascot Hyderabad Metro Rail NIZ. It was derived from the word Nizam, who ruled princely state of Hyderabad. Construction milestone. Groundbreaking for the project was conducted 26 April 2012. Concessionaire started pillar erection on same day stage 1 and the 6 June 2012 stage 2. Work for corridor 2 has been delayed due to Trader Court and Sultan Bazaar demanding realignment for the route to safeguard trader and old age heritage market. Recent bill proposed to Parliament which allow the construction within 100 meter 330 feet radius heritage structure and site historical archaeological important is passed. Metro might receive chance to help to connect old city with the IT corridor. Construction of entire 71.16 km 44.22 mi has been split into 6 stages with the first stage originally scheduled to be completed by March 2015. In November 2013, L&T Hyderabad Metro started laying rail on the metro via duct between Nagoli and Metaguda stretch of first highly sophisticated train Hyderabad Metro Rail HMR came from Korea during third week May 2014. Stringent rail run commenced from June 2014 till February 2015. Trial run started on the Miapur to Sanjeev Reddy Nagar stretch in October 2015. CMRS inspection for stage 2 Miapur and SR Nagar section was done 9 and 10 August 2016. Steel bridge of the HMR was successfully placed over the Elephant Bridge in August 2017. November 2017, Commissioner of Railway Safety CMRS granted safety approval for 12 km 7.5 mi stretch from Miapur to SR Nagar, 10 km 6.2 mi from stretch from SR Nagar to Medugada and 8 km 5.0 mi stretch from Nagoli to Medugada. 16 km Amirpet LB Nagar metro stretch was opened for commercial operation from 24 September 2018. Amirpet High-Tech City route was opened conditional basis 20 March 2019. Reversal facility after High-Tech City metro station was started on 20 August 2019. On 19 May 2019, construction of all 2,599 pillar for 66.5 km 41.3 mi Hyderabad Metro Rail expected 5.5 km 3.4 mi stretch old city was completed. Green line corridor from Jubilee bus station to Mahatma Gandhi bus station was issued safety certificate by Commissioner of Metro Rail Safety and Inauguration Service of section on done 7 February 2020 by the Chief Minister Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Groundbreaking ceremony of first airport express line was done by Chief Minister of Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Rao on 9th December 2002. Construction phase. Phase 1. Phase 1 project include 3 lanes covering distance around 72 km 45 mi metro line between Nagol and Secunderabad originally scheduled to open December 2015. It was partially opened 29 November 2017. Entire 67 km 42 mi phase 1 completed in 2020. Supplemental concession agreement was signed between L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad and Government of Telangana, under which L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad was granted interest-free soft loan of Rs 100 crore. Line 1 red line LB Nagar to Miapur 29 km 18 mi 27 station. Line 2 green line JPS Falaknuma 15 km 9.3 mi 15 station. Line 3 blue line Nagoli Rider 28 km 17 mi 24 station. Stage 4/2 MGBMS Falaknuma section 5.36 m. Also part of initial phase 1, but has been rumored that the state government might take up the section instead L&T, but will be completed along with the phase 1 work. Stage 3/2 High-Tech City to Rider section 1.3 km 0.81 mi. Corridor 3 was not initial part of phase 1. It was later ordered by the newly elected state government. This section opened by 29 November 2019. Old City Metro Line. Early 1.4 km 4.6 mi route was not accepted. Eastern parts of Old City have access to metro via Malakpet Metro Station. 5.5 km 3.4 mi long green line Old City will passes through Charminar at the end of the Falaknuma. June 2002 Hyderabad Metro Rail started the fresh survey Old City route of the MGPS underground utilities surveys through the leader global positioning system and the inertial measurement unit of the plan. But the elevated line alongside Musi River and the center of the road. In July 2023, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao instructed municipal administration and L&T chairman to take forward the metro project Old City. 16 July 2023, Hyderabad Metro MD NVS Reddy informed that preparatory work are taking up metro rail work and Old City has started land acquisition notice of 1,100 affected property will be issued about the month. 5 metro station and Old City will have 120 feet along with the wide road and under the viaduct. 27 August 2023, Hyderabad Metro Rail Limited started drone survey of the proposed rail alignment Old City. Phase 2, Government of Telangana planning second phase metro rail covering 67.5 km, cost rupees 17,150 crore. Construction phase 2 will be taken up solely in the state government instead of public-private partnership PPP mode in phase. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC was entrusted to give detailed project report DPR for phase 2 metro rail phase 2 expansion plan for about 63 km 39 mi, which include providing link Shamshabad RJ Airport. February 2020, Hyderabad Metro MD NVS Reddy said the 3 corridors are considered for phase 2. DPR has been submitted to state government. November 2022, Telangana government asked central government to sanction metro rail phase 2 be jointly owned by Telangana and center on the lines MMTCs. The external finance assistant Telangana government proposed metro connectivity about 26 km BHEL to Laktikapul with 23 station and extension other stretch from Nagakole to LB Nagar covering distance about 5 km with station 4. BHA Laktikapul Metro Rail corridor is expected to pass through Miapur, Raider, Gajiguda, Megidipadinam, Talichavki and Masab tank area. Telangana government has asked central government to sanction 8,453 crore rupees and $1.1 billion metro work upcoming union budget for 2023 to 24. For implementing project detailed project report, DPR have revealed to been prepared for state government with the help of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC. Report have been sent to center of also Hyderabad Airport Metro Limited. HMD will be put on elevated Hyderabad bus rapid transit system between Kottapet Via Police and KPHP Colony Metro Station covering 20 km 12 mi. March 2023, KT Ramarao said metro line from Agoli will be extended to LB Nagar, which will further to be extended till Hayat Nagar. LB Nagar will be extended Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Shamshabad Union Government pointed to how to certain shortfalls government Telangana plan to bullet BH to Laktipal and Laktikapul to Nagoli to LB Nagar metro route. T. Ramarao replied letter Union Minister Housing Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri rejection discrimination against Telangana. Hyderabad Airport Express Metro. On 26 March 2018, Special Purpose Vehicle Company Hyderabad Airport Metro Limited HAML was established by Government of Telangana to develop Hyderabad Airport Metro Express 31 km 19 mi Airport Express Metro. Corridor is proposed to have 27 km elevated 1 km 0.60 mi on ground and 2.5 km 60.6 mi kilometer underground section to connect to airport terminal. Airport route will be have 9 elevated station and 1 underground station. From Raidarg Metro Terminal Station, it will pass through the Gajarguda Junction touching Outer Ring Road. At Nargamuda Junction traverse along ORR to Shamshabad Airport through the existing dedicated Metro Rail Rider way of way. Chief Minister Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Light Foundation Stone Hyderabad Metro Airport Express 9 December 2022. It will bullet an approximate cost of 6,250 rupees and crore US dollar 780 billion. Phase 2 February 2023 KT Ramarao said BRS government would consider extending metro rail up to Ramoji Film City and other parts of Hyderabad under phase 2. Phase 3 after coming power from third consecutive term assembly election in December 2023, June 2023 Chief Minister Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced that Hyderabad metro will be extended further Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Shamshabad and to Kenduku in Malleshwaram Assembly constituency. He also said it was need to extend Hyderabad metro rail to Patan industrial area in Sangareddy district to Hayat Nagar, Rangareddy district. June 2023, KD Ramarao said BRS government has an ambitious plan to expand metro network Hyderabad 250 km, which will be include metro network from Jubilee bus stand and ECIL. On 31st July 2023, referring expansion Hyderabad metro rail, KT Ramarao listed proposal clear cabinet. He mentioned that government Telangana has proposed metro corridor of approximately 415 km length city of Hyderabad and peripheral area including 156 km metro network along with the outer ring. Metro Rail Project Phase 3 Expansion 6 Metro Extension Corridor Metro Rail all along ORR IT entire length. August 2023 Hyderabad Airport Metro Rail HAML invited tender selection consultant preparing preliminary project report PPRS and detailed project report DPRS. Phase 3 Metro Rail Expansion 12 Corridor 278 km. Selected consultant have first submit preliminary project report within 2 months and carry out of traffic survey ridership estimates. Government of India will be requested to provide necessary clearance through MOD area. September 2023 aware the associate RV and SYSTR bagged 2 package and contract each preparing detailed project report DPR proposed third phase of Hyderabad Metro Rail HMR project. Phase 3 for Warangal Highway, Appal Gadgazar Bibi Nagar, corridor 25 km, 6,900 crore rupees, E90 degree from Hyderabad Central. Appal Gadgazar Bibi Nagar corridor 25 km, rupees 6,900 crore and E90 degree from Hyderabad Central. Vijayawada Highway, LB Nagar, Hayat Nagar, Pedambarpet corridor 30 km, rupees 4,500 crore, SC 120 degree. Kurnool Highway, Shamshabad in Metro Station, Katur Shah Nagar corridor 28 km, rupees 6,800 crore, SW 21 degree. Pune Highway, BHSL to Pedancheri to Isnapur corridor 13 km, rupees 300-250 crore, NW 315 degree. Srishailam Highway, Shamshabad Airport, Takkaguda, ORR Mageshwaram, X Road and Kendukur corridor 26 km, rupees 6,600 crore, S180 degree. Keesara Highway, Tarnaka, ECI elevated metro 8 km, rupees 200-300 crore, NE 70 degree. Phase 2 Part B, ORR metro corridor entire stretch ORR will be have metro network ORR future 2 double elevated stretches along with the metro. Part 3 Part C, Phase 3 elevated 2 level corridor and elevated 2 level corridor, one that will be exclusively metro rail following route with with flyover and metro line and top of it. Karimnagar Highway, Sekbal JBS to Demungunda, any 45 degree not possible due to army quarters. Nizamabad Highway, Paradise Junction to Kendrakuya. Current phase construction work was undertaken in two phase. There are 6 stage completion. Phase 1. Phase 1 network number of stage line, name, terminal, distant line, opening date. Stage 1 Red Miapur Amirpet 11.3 km 7 mi line 29 November 2017. Stage 2 Amirpet LB Nagar 16.8 km 10.4 mi 24 September 2018. 2 stage 4/1 Green JPS MGBS 11 km 6.8 mi line 2 7 February 2020. Stage 4 MGPS Falaknuma 5.2 km 3.2 mi yet to be start construction. 3 stage 1 Blue Amirpet Nagol 16.8 km 10.4 mi line 3 29 November 2017. Stage 3 1 High Tech City Amirpet 8.5 km 5.3 mi 20 March 2019. Stage 3/2 Rider and High Tech City 1.5 km 0.93 mi 29 November 2019. Phase 2 network number of stage line, name, terminal, distance line, opening date. Stage 1 Airport Express Rider RJ Airport 31 km 19 mi line 4 soil testing in process. 2 stage 2 Blue Nahol LB Nagar 5 km 3.1 mi line 3 extension DBR submitted. 3 stage 2 Lakkapul PHL 2 26 km 16 mi line V DPR submitted. Network currently Hyderabad Metro has 58 station. Phase 1 Hyderabad Metro was 64 station. They have escalator and elevator to reach the station, announcement board and electronic display system. Station also have service road underneath them for public transportation system, drop off and pick up passenger. Signboard Hyderabad Metro are displayed in Telugu, English, Hindi, Urdu to metro station. All station Hyderabad Metro are equipped with a tactical pathway right from street level till the platform level along with the elevator button equipped with it, providing barrierless navigation for visually impaired commuters. Otis Elevator Company supplied and maintained 607 elevators used on the system, numbering metro pillar of Hyderabad Metro alphanumeric with corridor 1 Miapur to LB Nagar designated by A, corridor 2 JPS to Palaknama designated B, corridor 3 Nagoli to Rider designated as C. Numbering began from point beginning POP corridor wise like that. Pier number on corridor 1 C1 near Nagoli Bridge, corridor beginning C296 near Itikoda, C583 near Begumpet, C623 near Amirpet, C1001 near High Tech City and C1052 near Rider. Any future expansion corridor would be having D, E, F etc. Metro rail pillar are linked with Google Map and GPS global position system. Until May 2018, L&T Metro Rail designated signed contract with the Power Grid Corporation of India, installed electrical vehicle charging, facilitated all metro station.